Welcome back to episode 27 of my drawing tutorial. As a first step, let's color the corset that is made from a sheer fabric that shows the skin tone underneath. We'll start by coloring the skin beneath the corset first. Here, use the same color you used for the body skin tone. The color I am using is the sand shade from Copic marker. To keep the video from getting too long, I have skipped the body skin tone tutorial here. If you want to learn how to color skin tones properly, I'll share a detailed tutorial link in the description. Let's add the shadow to the skin tone before we applied the fabric color. Here's a quick preview of the finished look we're working towards. Pick up a really light green marker, almost like a sea green shade from Copic, and overlay the skin tone you just rendered for the corset. I noticed the skin tone wasn't showing up well over the green, so I'm going to add some shading on top using a darker brown color pencil. We'll now go in and fully fill the entire area with the green color we used earlier. I am just giving a little bit more depth to the garment by adding more shadows. If you want to practice coloring easily without doing a pencil sketch first, you can find the ready-to-draw coloring templates on my Etsy store. I have also shared the discount code in the description box below. Now let's use a dark green to color the piping of the corset. To add more depth, I am using black color pencil to add shadow to the corset piping. Since the piping sits on top of the sheer fabric, we'll add a bit of shadow on the fabric to make it look raised. Pick up the green colors that's closest to the one I'm showing here to color the bottom part of the dress. Now use a darker green and add shadows to the garment. Now use a lighter green and fill in all the colors and overlay the shadows part. While I was doing that, I realized the light green is too light, so I decided to use the same darker green as the primary color and overlay the whole skirt. And the paper I am using here is not working very well with me. When the paper is too thin, it can't absorb the ink and blend well, hence you are seeing marker strokes here prominently. Now use the same dark green and add more depth to the shadows. Let's repeat the same process on the bottom part of the skirt now. I decided to skip a couple steps because of the paper quality issue and improvise. But you are welcome to repeat the same process as how we did just now. Now I am going to be using a black color pencil to add shadow so that the transition looks smoother. That's the thing. In illustration, it is good to practice to work with what you have and not limit your creativity to resources. Now follow my lead to bring this skirt into life. The illustration is almost finished, but I wanted to soften the black shadows, so I decided to use a dark green color pencil to blend out the black. Let's repeat the same process on the puffy garments near the hip. Now this is my favorite and final step of my illustration, which is to clean the outline using a sharp black color pencil. I am using the lightest green to add highlight to the garments here. Highlights are important to elevate your illustration, so remember to always add them. Finally, the illustration is done. I hope this tutorial helps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to improve your drawing skills, as I upload new tutorial every Sunday. Alright. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.